this is Claudia here from the Bookkeeping Experts. I've been in accounting for a long time, as most of you know, and I dedicate my life to create content that will help business owners, accountants, and bookkeepers make sense of what is going on with QuickBooks Online. We wanted to give tools so you can succeed. If you're a business owner, we want to make sure that you know where's your point of reference so that you can aim your goals and succeed in your business. If you're a bookkeeper or accountant, I want you to stay up to date with all that is going on with QuickBooks, especially with the integration, if there is any bugs and how to fix it and how to do and how to fix your customers, your clients' books and stay up to date. So we come back every week. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, the first thing I want to ask you is to go ahead and subscribe. We made a promise this year that this is going to be the best year yet. And this is regardless of what's going on in the world with international taxes, whatever you name it. We are going to succeed. And you know why? Because we're together in this and we're going to help each other grow. Today, we're going to talk about how to use QuickBooks Online to be able to expedite your billing with your clients. Now, keep in mind that the tools that I'm going to show you today is not available for all subscription. You have to have at least essentials or more. But this tool is extremely useful because it will help you set up auto pay for your clients, and it will automatically charge, and you don't have to worry about sending them an invoice and then recording the invoice and so on and so forth. So especially if you have recurring clients, yes, you want to know that. And so we're going to go straight into QuickBooks Online. So here we go. Okay, here's our simple account. And Claudia, how do I do that? So this is so useful. How do I do that? So you are in QuickBooks Online, first of all, and you're going to set up a recurring transaction. So click on the gear menu on the top right-hand side and recurring transaction right here. All right, so now you're going to create a new transaction, and it's going to be a sales receipt. There's all kinds of transactions here, and we talk about all of them, but today's sales receipt. So you want to do it schedule, and you can name the template whatever you want. You can name the name of the client or whatever you want, and you want to do it scheduled because you want this to automatically go. And you can do an interval or you can do forever until your client decides not to have your services anymore, and then you can turn it off. So here is no end, okay, none. But like I said, you can put an end into this relationship. You don't want to. Okay. And you can automatically send emails to your clients with the sales receipt or print later, whichever one is best for you. And here you want to put your payment method. All right, so it's a credit card, so you want to put the name of the credit card, and the payment is going to go to payments to deposit, which is right. So once the payment is processed, you're going to match it in QuickBooks, and you're going to create the service. Now, it's very important for you to, when you select the credit card that you want to use, you want to enter the credit card details and click on process the credit card. If not, it's going to create that sales receipt, but the money's not going to come in. So, oh, by the way, in order to do that, you need to be set up with payments in QuickBooks Online. So set up with payments first. How do you do that? I gotta go back here in the gear menu, account settings, and you go to payments and merchant service manage account, or you're gonna set up right here, but mine is it's already there. So okay, back here and new sales receipt. And okay, so you set up everything with QuickBooks, all the payments, and you're gonna name this template your name of your whatever name you want to do it. So you can say if you have a pool service, monthly pool service, whatever you want. Okay, you want to choose your client, the email, automatically send the email. That's what I recommend, or print later. The interval or no interval, set no end. And then here you're going to put the service that you want. I don't know, ongoing, whatever you want, right? So consultation, online consultation, and whatever service you want. And you can go ahead and save template. And once you save template, once it gets to the date that you created here, you cannot do anything for the past, by the way. You have to do it just for upcoming sales receipt. Okay, then this is gonna, once it gets to the date that you set up here, it's gonna automatically charge your client's credit card. Like I said, you want to make sure you add that credit card number and that you are authorized to charge the credit card. What I would recommend, because I have ongoing clients, I usually like to send some kind of document for the client to sign. I use Honeybooks. Okay, you can use Honeybooks just for, no, it's Honeybook. I'm sorry, Honeybook, for the client to sign the documents. But you don't have to set up the payment there. You can set up the payment in QuickBooks as auto sales receipt or recurring transactions. Okay, and that's pretty much it. That's how you set it up. You want to make sure at the end of the month, if everything was charged correctly, you can go into the settings, payments, and then you can go manage on your merchant account, and you can verify. It will take you, if you click on the merchant account, it's going to take you to the merchant account. It's going to show you all the transactions that were charged. And of course, you can go into search as well, an advanced search, and you can verify your sales receipt. So transaction type, sales receipt. Okay, and you can put a date range so you can see which clients were charged sales receipt. And I don't have any, so I'm not gonna see anything here. But if you do have ongoing, and if that date has passed and all your clients have paid, you'll see all the sales receipt, right, the list right here, especially if you put that the date. There's more filters here if you want to know if a specific client credit card went through, or you can, like I said, you can go to the merchant account, onto settings, payments, merchant, and then verify if that payment went through. Okay, that's it. Okay, that was quick, fast and quick. Let's go back here. I am back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this content is useful to you. And if you find it useful, please subscribe to our channel. It just takes a minute. You just click down below. Yes. And you'll be back for more. And I'll be back for more. And until next time, I will be working really hard to stay up to date with QuickBooks. Continue learning and improving and being on top of our game here, so that I can help you. And when I help you, you're gonna like my videos, you're gonna comment, yes, you're gonna share with your friends and subscribe to our channel, and I will be back for more. And I promise you that we're gonna continue bringing content like that will help you succeed in your business, either your business or your accounting practice or your bookkeeping practice. Yes, we want to help you. But we'll see you next time. And until next time, keep on smiling.